Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to collect money on Western Union. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in westernunion.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Western Union if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the top right corner, as you can see, we have these three lines where you can go and see the settings, refer a friend, check out your history, the logout button, and in the middle of the screen, we have the send money online, where of course you can go and send your money online. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and collect money on Western Union. It is pretty simple and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So use the Western Union website or app to locate a nearby agent. Have the sender's full name and address as well as money transfer control number, MTCN. Go to the agent location with a valid government issued ID. Present your ID, the sender's name and address, and the MTCN to the agent. Once your information is verified, you'll receive your money. Alternatively, depending on your location, you can have the money deposited directly into your bank account or mobile wallet. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.